In this video, you will learn how to build a simple variable power supply using LM317. This variable power supply project will be assembled on the breadboard, offering the best practice for students, learners, and hobbyists. Follow the circuit diagram displayed on the screen and install all components along with the jumper wires on the breadboard. You can download the image of the circuit diagram from the link in the description. After placing all components on the breadboard, ensure a problem-free setup by carefully rechecking each element against the circuit diagram. Now it is time to test the variable power supply. Connect a suitable load, such as a bulb or a DC motor, for testing the power supply. The 3-terminal IC, LM317, can take an input voltage of 3 to 40 volt DC, and provide a fixed output voltage of 1.25 to 37 volt. You can put maximum load current of up to 1.5 ampere. The LM317 incorporates essential features like current limiting and thermal protection. These attributes highlight its pivotal role in powering and safeguarding electronic equipment. You can download all these images from our website. Follow the link in the description.